Guys, good afternoon and happy Friday. So finally it's weekend in Dubai, so nothing much to do today, and maybe we will just watch one movie and that's it. And we get up late today, so we haven't have our breakfast yet, but I'm gonna cook lunch now. So I'm gonna make a Pancit Bihon. This is a vegetable Pancit Bihon, so I don't put any meat on this. So the ingredients that we'll be needing are, of course, the bihon. This is a Pancit Bihon, and I have soaked this in water. I only use one slab because it's come in a slabs like this kind. So I use only one. I've soaked in water like for 10 to 15 minutes, so it becomes soft. So I have it here. It has been soaked already and it's ready to cook. Okay, and aside from this, of course, we will be needing vegetables. So I have only two vegetables here. A carrot, okay, one carrot I cut into long thin one, and a cabbage, the same, it's a long cut. But you know, in a one medium size of bowl cabbage, only 1/4 of that I've used for this. And I have here 8 cloves of garlic, finely chopped, and a 1 medium size of onion. It is also chopped, and oil. We need an oil. So that's it. So now, and also we will be using as well oyster sauce, since I'm not using any meat. So I just put a little bit, like 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and as well we will be needing the soy sauce. Okay, and salt to taste. That's it. Let's get started. And now our oil is heated up. I'm using olive oil. Any oil it will do as well. So now we have to dump our garlic, finely chopped garlic, and we just saute this.
I am watching this.
What is that?
That.
And now we put our onion. We have to saute this until it gets translucent or golden brown. And now we can put our carrots. So we have to saute this just for a few seconds. Then after this, we'll put our cabbage. So now we have to cook this. And then we put like half 1/4 teaspoon of salt, just 1/4 right now because I'm mixing with oyster sauce. So just 1/4. You can adjust later. And now I'm putting oyster sauce. Oyster sauce like 1 tablespoon. Just mix together. leave it for 1 or 2 minutes until our vegetables get soft. And now for this, we can add now our bihon or vermicelli noodles or pancit bihon. You can add it up. You can add this on. And then mix well. So now we can add our soy sauce. We just add gradually. First, we have to do it in 3 tablespoons, and we can adjust later. I don't want so dark on my pancit bihon. So 3 tablespoons, let's see, and we can adjust later. I think 3 tablespoons is enough. I don't want to add more because it gives a nice color actually. So this will be enough. No need to add more soy sauce. So we have to mix well. So everything should be coated with soy sauce. Should be in uniform color. So now let's simmer this for 5 minutes and let's just check in between so it doesn't get burned on the bottom. So we check again. So now we have to taste if it's okay. Let's check. Little of salt. I require a little salt. Just little bit. So now again we have to mix it properly. And just leave it for another 1 minute. Now, this is okay. The vermicelli or the bihon doesn't take time to cook because we have soaked it in water. It was already soft. So we don't want to overcook our noodles or vermicelli or bihon. Some other people, they call it vermicelli. Some they call it bihon, or Filipino they call it bihon. Okay, anyway, this is ready. So we have to do our plating.